Hi, I'm Attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to answer a question from Josephine in Baltimore, Maryland. Josephine wrote in, she said essentially she was in a car accident, her mother was driving, checking her text messages, ran off the road and caused a crash. Josephine was injured, went to an attorney. The attorney said, if you want to get a settlement, you've got to be prepared to sue your own mother. And Josephine wants to know, what do you think about that? I'll tell you what I think about that. I think it's a shame. You know, I have a lot of empathy for people who have been injured in an accident due to the negligence of another individual, whether it's your mother or a stranger, friend, family member, you know, someone you've never met before. I have a lot of empathy if you've been injured in an accident and you've got medical bills that you're trying to get paid, you've got lost wages, maybe you're unable to pay your rent, maybe you're unable to pay your mortgage or your car payment or put food on the table if you're out of work after a serious car accident. I have a lot of empathy for you if you're in that situation. And I have a lot of empathy for you if you're in this situation where the at-fault driver is a family member or a close friend or your mother, Josephine. I think it's a terrible situation to be in, but at the same time, it's an interesting question because it illustrates the difference between form and substance. Oftentimes in the law, there's a difference between form and substance. Here's what I mean by that. In form, if you're going to pursue a claim for your injuries, in form, you've got to file a lawsuit and you're going to name the at-fault driver. The lawsuit is against the at-fault driver in this situation, and unfortunately, the at-fault driver is your mother. So it sounds terrible, it looks terrible, you know, it's embarrassing, I'm sure, but if you're going to pursue this in form, you're suing your mother. In substance, however, that's really not what this is. If your mother had insurance on the vehicle, what you're doing is you're really making an insurance claim because your mother's insurance company is going to pay whatever settlement you get. If you go to trial and a jury awards you damages or a judge awards you damages, then the insurance company is paying for that award. If you file a lawsuit and your mother has to be represented by an attorney, her insurance company is providing her with a free attorney. So you see, in substance, you're not really going against your mother. In substance, you're going against your mother's insurance company. In form, however, you're going against your mother. So there's a difference. Of course, the folks at the insurance company are very happy about this. And when we, you know, in my legal practice, handling cases for people who've been injured in accidents, when we contact the insurance company and ask them to pay for things like medical bills and, you know, lost wages and compensation for pain and suffering, when the form of the case is that our client would have to sue a family member, they chuckle at us and they take advantage of people by trying to eliminate settlements, by trying to deny settlements or reduce what is paid in many cases. So this is really something that benefits the insurance companies. Whether that's fair or unfair, I'll let you make up your own mind. So I'm interested to know, you know, if you are watching this video, if you've now heard about Josephine's situation, I'm telling you as a personal injury attorney, this is a situation that comes up quite often. What would you do in this situation, or what would you advise Josephine to do? Would you sue your own mother is what I'm really trying to ask. Please leave us a comment. Let us know how you feel about this situation. Let us know what your analysis is. You know, I do these videos and I ask people to leave comments, and sometimes we get some of the best comments, we get some of the most insightful comments. So if you have a thought or an opinion on this, leave a comment on the video and let us know what your view is. Folks, I'm Attorney Ben Schwartz. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, something interesting to think about. If you have questions for me like this, please feel free to send me an email. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. Thanks for watching.